Hey, fellas. We are live. Good morning, fellow traders. How we doing? How are we doing? Look at this crazy market. Look at this crazy market. Timbo, good morning. Nathan M, good morning. NP, Matty Matt, John, good morning, John. Oh, hey, good morning, Travis. How we doing? I'm not on mute. Look at this crazy market. I mean, we have gone, so we opened we opened, the low of the overnight session was 20,230. We had we went to the 500s. That's a 270 point move overnight. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's go, Travis. Hey, Jimmy K, how's it going? Trip Candy, good morning. Yeah, that's crazy. I need to start, you know what I need to start doing? I need to start trading the overnight session. Like, this is the perfect price action that I would love, and I just need to. I'm gonna start streaming and trading at 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. I'll figure out when I will sleep later. I'll figure that out along the way. But man, what a crazy. Yeah, it is typically after big what was the big earnings though? Let's go, Travis. Time to drain him. Good morning, UCLA Trades. Good morning, UCLA. I saw your Twitter post. I liked it. And it was Micron earnings. Ah, yeah. Micron is usually one of the first to have earnings in the quarter. Interesting. Yeah. All right. Well, I guess for now, obviously we're just gonna wait and see what happens. But I hope we see a pullback. We literally had a 300 point move overnight, and it was just unbelievable. And now I'm afraid what's going to happen today. The move is exhausted, I'm afraid. I'm afraid we're just going to go sideways or just one of those. I do not want to repeat it yesterday, whatever happens. I am not in the mood. I'm not in a mood for a move higher and then just a slow, painful trend lower the rest of the day. That was ugly. Durable goods and initial claims were way better than expected this morning. I see. And I guess, I hope we just keep going higher because that's what I'm gonna look for. I'm not gonna look for shorts. Not a chance. No way, Jose. I'm very curious what we do here at the open. Are we gonna see a big pullback or are we just gonna rip it? Hey, good morning, Diego. Martin AP, good morning. Daryl, good morning. Vin S, good morning. You were trying to short last night? Oof. Yeah, if you tried to short last night, I feel terrible for you because you were in some max pain. Hey, Leo, good morning. Here's Johnny, good morning. Today I will trade holistically. Let's trade like we're having an out-of-body experience today. How about that? Let's do it. But man, that's crazy. Oh, unfortunate that I'm dead serious about, I'm thinking about starting to stream after hours and trading these accounts, because I love the price action because it's not as volatile, but it seems to just hold the trend a little bit better. At least, I mean, not always, but. All right, we're definitely pulling back here right before the open. We got about 30 seconds before the open. It's way better in the evening for my style of trading perfect play. Yeah, I feel like, I mean, obviously not always, but it does feel like it is sometimes. Jerome Powell gives the opening remarks today. Oh, I see. What time is that? Okay, nice black coffee. Good morning, black coffee. And we're open for business. Let's see what happens. Is he gonna, I have a feeling we're gonna pull back, but I mean, this thing could just rip straight to the moon. Gonna wait and see. Let's see. All right, definitely pulling back. I don't mind a nice pullback. Let's see how far, see how low she goes. How low will she go? Where can we download the spreadsheet? 48 compound. Oh, for the Helio, send me an email. I'll email it to you. You can find my email on my channel, but it's nuttybar193@gmail.com. All right, down to the 480s. I mean, kind of wouldn't be surprised if we maybe see a pullback down to the 460s. But who knows? This thing could pull back 200 points here at the open. It easily could. Hey, Timbo, you're already done for the day? Let's go. Hey, Vin S caught your short. Carolina, good morning. Trading ever after, good morning. All right, pulling down, pulling back to the testing the 470s here. Yeah, a lot of profit taking. Not surprising. This is definitely not surprising in seeing a pullback here. The question is going to be that first pump. The question is going to be the first kind of bounce. Is it going to be just a little pullback and then rip lower? Or are we actually going to bounce? That's the question. All right, down, testing that 460 now. Down through the 460s. Let's see. This is kind of the area that I'm kind of interested to see if we bounce. If we don't bounce here, we got VWAP here at the 440s. But who knows? We might just continue going lower today. Ooh. Oh, UCLA trades. My shoulder feels so much better. I actually have very little pain. I was doing some exercises yesterday, and my shoulder, I feel, I mean, I don't want to say it feels 100%, but it feels pretty good. All right. See if we get a bounce here off that 460 level. See if we rip it here. Careful, those DD parties get a little rough. Oh, the good old DD party. Ooh, we continue to rip lower. Interesting. We have not gotten much of a bounce yet. We're going to test that VWAP here, the 440s here soon. Very interesting. We have not really seen the buyers jump in here. All red. We have now pulled back down to the 440s. That's a 100-point pullback from the high of the session, from the high of the overnight session. And we continue to go lower. Yeah, it's typical market here. Just we go up, up, up overnight, and now we're just going straight down right at the open. Let's see. See if we get a bounce off the VWAP. The VWAP. You're in at 432. Good luck, sir. Good luck. I hope it works. It seems like we're still wants to go lower though. Man. Lots of selling here. Just ripping it. You're in at 432. Hey, come on, rip it. It's got a chance here to bounce. I do feel like it. I think we can bounce here, but want to move lower. Just not much of a buying. All right, let's see. Okay, there's our first kind of pump higher. There she goes, 445s. There's a nice pump. Let's see if it holds. This might just be some shorts taking profit here. $100 opening range. Yeah, I know, John, right? Not surprising. With the move we had overnight, usually have a pretty big 15-minute opening range. But I do expect this to bounce somewhere here. But we don't have to. This market can be crazy. We all know, this market do not give a rip about anything. Market does whatever it wants. Hey, here's Johnny. Nicely done. Yeah, 100 is nice. Okay, there we go. Above the 50s now. Is this gonna rip it? I'm really curious if we're gonna retest the highs of the overnight, the 540s. Are we going to retest that at some point? Is this going to be the V shape? Is this going to be the V shape bottom? taking out the... Oh boy. Okay, here's gonna be the truth candle. If we rip lower now, this is where things might get a little tricky. If this is gonna make new lows, look out. We could be in for a lot bigger move lower. I mean, a gap fill would be crazy, but not, I mean, it's possible. It is definitely possible. Hey, you took the short at open trading ever after? Let's go. Oh, yeah, John. So you were looking at the 3-minute? Ah, okay. Okay, here we go. About to make new lows. This is looking very bearish all of a sudden. Looking very bearish. See if we rip through the 420s here. All right, what's this market gonna do here? It's just hanging out here at the 430s now. Is it gonna bounce off the 420s here? Powell's making it tank like this. Wait, is Powell talking right now? Hey, Garrett, you're done as well. Nice, Randy. All those that shorted right at the open, nicely done, nicely done. That did seem like shorting at the open did seem like a very high probability, seemed like a high probability trade. All right, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Hey, and we're back. All right, looks like we're going lower, huh? Still going lower. Crazy. So, at least it looks like we're gonna keep going lower, but I guess we will find out. Hey, good morning, Rad Poker. How we doing? Hey, good morning, Sharouz. Good to see you. Brandon Emmett, good morning. Brandon, I did not. It got pushed out to today. I have another call today. So hopefully if I can fit it in my schedule and they can fit it in theirs. Now it's trying to pump higher. Still looking pretty bearish. We're going to have to get above that 460 level. We're going to have to get above that 460 level for this to really be considered pumping. Just looking at the commissions on micros for MFF. Oh, really, John? I've never looked into that. How much is it? Hey, good morning, Mitch Marvin. You traded just before news today in my PA by mistake. Made 500 with 5 cons. Thought it was an eval. I think you'll be fine, Mitch Marvin. You didn't go over the limit rule. You were in before. I don't think that's going to be a problem. I wouldn't sweat it. Hey, Tame Tiger, how we doing? Good morning. I still feel like I don't know, this is looking like it wants to keep going lower still. All right, here we go. I think this is gonna. Man, like right now, this would be tempting to take a short, but it's not worth it. Not worth it. $15-minute opening range, 98 points. So most of this move happened in the first 5 minutes. Hey, how we doing? Batch, good morning. Yeah, it might. That's what I was saying earlier. We might just have a... I mean, I was hoping we would pull back and then just rip straight up to new highs is kind of... I mean, that's what I would love to see, but I just have a feeling we're not going to get that. News in 4 minutes. News in 3 minutes, actually. All right, news in 2 minutes. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Yeah, sometimes there's nothing wrong with just going out, clearing your head, taking a couple weeks off. I think that's a great idea, to be honest. This is awful. Do I do with myself the rest of the day, Timbo? Well, don't trade your funded accounts. If you have profit in your funded accounts, don't trade them. If you feel like you have to do something with your hands, maybe go start crocheting or something. Or maybe, I don't even know. That's all I got. Take up a hobby of crocheting. All right, market. Are you really going to want to go higher? I don't know. Maybe. Wait and see. We got news in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. What is wrong with the market? You tell me, Shrews. Goes up overnight like it's nothing. It goes up like there's no issues. And then in the regular session, just whoosh. Hey, your payouts got approved from Friday. Let's go. And it already hit your bank, Dirty Nate. Let's go. Love to hear that. I love to hear that. Supposedly, the Apex payouts are going to start hitting, and they are going to hit fast. Let's cross our fingers and our toes and hope that is the case. Overnight doesn't have options traders. It's the option traders' fault. It could be too. What are we doing, market? All right, news came out. I don't know. Did something, must not have been any big news. Barely moved the market. All right, let's see if we get above VWAP. VWAP's here at the 440s. Nope, it's gonna go down. Can't get above that VWAP. The VWAP. It didn't do anything. Video games, actually, that's a great idea, Traders Chick. Video games are good for fingers. You know, I have not played video games in probably 3 months. It's kind of crazy. I need to get back in. I need to find myself a nice, good video game that I enjoy. I'm all for it. I'm waiting on Farming Simulator 25. Farming Simulator 25, once that comes out, I'm gonna be deep diving into that. We're going to make ourselves a nice farm. We're going to fully invest in the farm. It's going to be great. Where I'm based out of, Ohio. The great state of Ohio. All right, market, just do something, would you please? This is pathetic. This is actually pathetic. This is what's frustrating for me. Overnight session. Look at this nice move. I mean, that's a nice move. Then we open, and now we're just sitting here chopping back and forth like a barcode. Like, come on. Am I going to have to sit here and twiddle my thumbs all day long again? I'm not going to be happy. You're from the Youngstown area? Let's go, Randy. Yeah, Tractor Sim. I do have that game. I like it. I like it. Nutty gonna mow the lawn virtually during the winter? I might. There is a lawn mowing simulation game. I have not bought it yet, but I've thought about it. Hey, you're in Columbus, Grande? Nice, nice. Let's go. Why payout seems like a dream? I'm sure you felt that before. Hey. Oh yeah. Did you just get your first payout? Did you get your first payout? Hey. Oh, your headset broke. Going long, but it's risky. Yeah, I feel like right here, this price action right now to what we're in is risky, either long or short. I think we could go either or. But the longer that we just sit here and don't move higher, the longer and the more convinced I would be that we're gonna rip lower. If we don't make a rip above VWAP very, very soon, I'm gonna say we're gonna rip lower. We're gonna keep going lower here, but I might be wrong. I've been wrong before. Hey, R5 Studios in the house. Good morning, Equalizer. Good morning. What a chop fest. What an absolute chop fest. Does Apex have any requirements for payout? Yeah, I need to reach the profit threshold, and you have to have 10 days traded. And follow the rules, obviously. 364 checks on midnight open. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we break down here below the 410s. Come on, just at this point, I just want the price to do. I just want the market to do something. There it is. Down through the 400s, 390s, down through the 390s now. There she goes, ripping it. She ripping. Kind of knew that was happening. We just could not get above this VWAP. We tried multiple times. We couldn't do it. This could be a stop run. If this rips higher now, then I would be more inclined to think we might V-shape it here, but who knows? And we're right back up in that range at the 410s. Crazy. Spit some bars right now. Trade rate is lagging. Uh-oh. The most important rule is only one DCA allowed. Yes, only one DCA allowed. Trading ever after. Oh. All right. What are we doing here, market? What are we doing? Oh, man. I was afraid this is going to be this kind of day. I was afraid this is going to happen. Just feels like we could. I'm just not in. I am not sure that I'm going to take a short setup. I am not sure that I'm going to trust a short setup today. Great to have Kellyanne back in FTT. She could not miss her affiliate payment. Wait, is Kellyanne back on FTT again? For real? Hey, Phil, your 3 under review payments just got approved and processed today. Let's go. Let's go, Phil. That's awesome. I love to hear it. Love to hear it. How can I stop revenge trading? Oh, man, Vin. I mean, it's a struggle. Shut off your computer and throw away the key. Any downside for the static account UCLA trades? I mean, it's just because there's not much wiggle room. But the way that you trade UCLA trades, that might be fine. You might be fine. Yeah, John, I know, John. It's so funny. It cracks me up too. All of E-Man's videos have started a trend of at the end they turn into you can tell what's happening. You can see what's happening there. What is Apex consistency rule, Borneo trades? 30%. So your biggest profit day can't be more than 30% of your total profits when you request your payout. So that is how you calculate it. So if you pick a target, let's say if you have a 50K account, the profit threshold is 2,600. But if you want to have a buffer in it and your plan is not to withdraw until 5,000, then you take 5,000 times 30%, and that is the largest day that you could have to stay within the 30% consistency rule, if that makes sense. All right, market trying to make a move again. Let's see. Will it go? Will it actually make a move here? We have not made it above VWAP. We have not made it. We haven't even touched the EMA yet so far. So let's see. Yeah, Timbo. Note to self not to have a bias. Yeah, Matt, that is very dangerous. I always get in trouble when I do that. It's very dangerous to have a bias, and then you just keep. It's hard once you're in a position, then it's really difficult to be looking at the market with an open mind. At least it is for me. It can really hurt you. I'm with you. I don't know. I struggle with that too. Like even right now, I really don't want to short. One thing I have learned though is I think I've learned is even though right now we're in an obvious downtrend, I do not like a short, but I also don't want to go against the trend and go long. So I'm just going to wait. We chilling. Market only goes up. Hey, good morning, design. Market only goes higher. We all know this to be true. It like we always say here, market only goes higher until it doesn't. How long did it take you to get to my first payout? Oh my geez. It's almost embarrassing, but it took me a year. It took me a year of trading prop firms before I got my first payout. So if you think you're struggling, if you think you are having a hard go at it, and I say I know what you're going through, I really do know what you're going through. I really do, and it is not fun. It is not fun, man. Best thing you can do if you're struggling is to treat your evals with respect. Take those evals, make sure that you're treating them like you would a PA account, and the screen time. I think screen time, and don't copy trade your accounts if you're struggling. Hey, Sin City Futures, I hear you, man. I hear you, and I feel for you, man. I've been there. I think mine was officially 13 months. I think it was officially 13 months before I finally got a payout. That was maddening. I was starting to, we were starting to have some serious problems. Oh, it was rough. It was rough. All right, are we going to just go, like right here would be a setup for a short. Like right here, I should be going short, but I just can't do it. I would be in right now. My target would be right here. Let's see if we would have hit it. Yeah, it would have worked, I think. How long to pass evals for me? I mean, now it's way different. I don't trade my evals like I do my funded accounts. It's more just an efficiency thing where you shouldn't trade your evals like I do, I guess is my point. Took me almost 2 years to get a payout. Now you've taken out 25,000 since April. Let's go, Phil. That's awesome. Hey, I mean, it's weird because like one thing I've noticed is, and this might not be true across the board, but one thing I've noticed is every trader like when you start out trading, there is a chance that you start out trading and you just immediately have success. Like you go in and you don't know any better. So you just immediately have success, but I'm convinced that if you have success immediately or you struggle immediately, every trader will go through a patch. They will go through a time where it is just very difficult to be like it's just a struggle. I do really believe that. And there we go, down. We are down, about to make new lows here. This is so hard to not. This is where it's hard because I feel like, why am I not? I should just follow my plan, not be biased, take the setups. But the closer you get to payout, the harder it is. Oh yeah, 100% QQ. Oh man, especially that. Oh, I remember the first, like there were a couple times around month 8 or 9. Maybe it was a little further than that along. But like around month 10, something like that, I had a couple PAs that I would get very close to that profit threshold and then I would blow it. Oh, that is so demoralizing because you finally see that you're making progress and you finally feel like, okay, I think I got this. And you kind of think you're finally turning it around, and then and for me anyway, I'd have one bad day and just blow everything, and I would be like $200 to $300 close to a payout, and I would just blow it all in one day. Man, I'm telling you what, those are some rough times. Those are some rough times. Ooh, you have some pretty dark thoughts. You want to go strangle kittens and lots of other things. But it's weird because now it's just so weird because now I think a large part of it is also being that now that I've taken out more money than I've ever put into prop firms, there's just way less stress when you get close to that profit threshold. There's still some stress, obviously, because you don't want to blow an account when you're that close. But like, for example, these accounts right here, I've already taken a payout from these accounts. Do I want to blow them? Obviously not. No, I do not want to blow them. But if I blow these, I'll be disappointed for about 2 hours. And then I'll sleep on it and I'll be totally fine the next day. And we'll move on. Compared to, it's just such a different mindset. It's such a different mindset. And there is no doubt in my mind that everyone trades better when they don't care. That sounds weird, but it's so true. When you don't care what the results are of your trading and what your trading results are, when you just don't care, the better you trade. Oh my goodness, this market is killing me. Oh. Wow, this is... All right, let's see if we go rip below the 390s. We about to make new lows here. Or are we? How low can she go? It's just, I mean, with this big of a pullback that we've had so far this morning, it shocks me. I mean, actually is shocking to me that we have not seen more of a bounce. Like, this bounce right now, I mean, this just, the bulls just, they have no desire. They got no passion. It's pathetic. It would jiggle my soul to dole out a nice band today design. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, everybody warned. Sim trading is so much more relaxed. DCA time. Yeah, Degen mode. Oh, hey, Dom. Yep. That's where we just keep on keeping on. We just put one foot in front of the other. We try to learn from our mistakes, and we keep on. We just move on. But man, this is some rough price action here. I was afraid this is going to happen. I was afraid of it. Hey, how we doing, Not? We're doing great. Chilling. Wishing we would get some setups, but here we are. Yeah, Trader Kane. Yeah, that was a really good interview. Isn't it crazy that Trader Kane, how he was talking about how much he was struggling like a year ago. Like a year ago, he was struggling. And literally 1 year later, he's taking out $2 million from Apex. That's crazy. But that is the thing with prop firms, especially prop firms like Apex, which they allow you to take out that amount of money. It is crazy how you can go on a hot streak. You can go on a couple month hot streak and take out some crazy amounts of money. It's just, all right, market, do something. Jeez, I wanted to, like, come on, bulls, rip this thing higher. It's unbelievable. This is what it feels like. It feels like the market is waiting for me to finally switch my bias and take a short setup, and then it's going to rip higher. The market is literally waiting. Market makers, they're all watching my stream and be like, yep, everybody hold. Just Nutty's still not short. As soon as I get in short, they're going to just rip this thing 100 points higher. Oh, nope. They're going lower. It's going lower. I talked them into it. I called them out. On their bluff, and they decided, yeah, we better go. But, hey, I guess we're just chilling. I'm just going to be patient. I am just going to be patient. But guys, did you know what's crazy? So now this morning, Buellnox also banned the treasury and bond market. I don't want to speculate. Obviously, this is me speculating, okay? But I know of two of the $1 million payouts that Apex has paid out in the last year. Two of those I know with 100% certainty, they traded the treasury bond market. That is all they traded. So makes me wonder a little bit how all that went down. Makes me wonder. Makes you wonder, man. I wonder if they were taking advantage of those sim fills. And here's what's even crazier, guys. Now, again, this is me speculating. I don't want to spread any fake anyway. But both of those traders are from the same country, and they do not live that far apart. Now there's a real head scratcher. I will refrain from making assumptions, but that's a very interesting. It's very interesting. Hey, we continue to go lower down to the 360s. This market has zero desire to go higher all of a sudden. All night long, just wanted to go up, and now just go down. Okay, fine. That's so... whatever, dude. Not CFT. Canadian futures trader is ticked off with the removal of the treasury bonds. Yeah, who cares what he thinks? Is Apex going to sue them? I mean, no. Apex paid him out, and that, I mean, if Apex didn't find out what they were doing wrong, then, I mean, what it is, what it is. Yeah, they're in the UK Rad Poker. But it's pretty, I don't know. I don't know if that is what they were doing, but I find it pretty interesting. I do find it pretty interesting. I'll say that. I just want to know what Joey Morgan is saying now. Yeah. Yep, Rad Poker. Exactly. Remember Rad Poker, how there was a group that was doing this? Yeah. Again, this is me speculating, so I don't want to go out on I don't want to make this a fact, but the speculation is there were people, yeah, it was a ring of people doing it, and of that ring of people, at least two of those people already had taken out $1 million from Apex, and then people were... basically, I don't know, but it appeared like they were getting other people to continue doing it. Did they, I don't know. I'm going to leave it at that, but some pretty interesting information. No, Trader Kane wasn't. Trader Kane was legit. He traded NQ, and yeah, Trader Kane is legit. That is not who I'm talking about. Wow, down all the way to the 340s now. Wow, what a move. What a rip lower. I mean, I don't even know what to do at this point. I don't know what to do. Ugh. But I'm thinking, here's what I'm thinking. If I was to just speculate even further, Apex is sitting there and they have the information that they've already paid out over, they've paid out two different people over $1 million from the same area. Okay. And they both trade the treasury bond market. And now they have two more people doing the same thing from the same area. I'm thinking they were like, this is very interesting. Maybe we should investigate a little bit further. I don't think I'm that far off. Obviously, there was nothing they could do about the people they've already paid out, but what's really interesting is I know that this same person that took out the $1 million, he went to other prop firms as well, a lot of other prop firms, and took out as much money as he could from them as well until, he was asked to go to a live account. Wow. Look at that. We are just ripping this lower all the way down to the 320s now. Below the 320s. This is crazy. We are down to the next pivot point here at the 320s. 100-point move. We are a 200-point sell-off here from the highs where we opened today. I guess I should be happy that I haven't tried to buy the bottom. Let's look at the positive. Let's look at the positives. I think Lanto was different. Yeah, Lanto was different. I'm not. Yeah, this is not about Lanto at all. Lanto is legit. Lanto and Trader Kane is legit. Now, some things that Lanto is doing regarding a signal service, he claims he doesn't sell a signal service, but you can sign up on his Discord for an additional fee. It's basically a signal service. That is an issue. I can assure you of that, but I will let him work that out with Apex however he sees fit. But no, he's not trading treasuries and bonds. Timbo was right. We are just ripping this lower it's just going straight down. Unbelievable. What's so crazy? Like I'm not like shocked that we're going lower, but I am shocked at the rate of speed that we're going lower with no pullback whatsoever. Just straight down, no interest, no bounce, nothing. Just ripping it lower. It's crazy. This market is cray-cray. Anyone having issues with Apex setup in new accounts? Yeah, I don't know. I keep hearing some people. I wonder if it's TradeAway to Rhythmic. Yesterday I reset my one Rhythmic account and it was like immediate. But I don't have any TradeAway accounts. QQ. No issues, Pro Trader Mike? Nice, nice. It was delayed a little bit for you on a reset? Yeah, I don't know of any major delays at least. All right, market, are we finally going to get a bounce here off the pivot point, off the 320s? I mean, this is just crazy. I don't get it. I'm at the point where I'm like, maybe I do need to look at taking a short entry. Maybe I do need to look at it, which probably means that, yeah, probably means I shouldn't do it. Hang on, I have to take this call. All right, I'm back. Hang on. I gotta get this. I gotta send an email. Oh, we're finally getting a push higher here. I see. Interesting. This is the biggest. This is finally an actual bounce that we're seeing. I don't know if we want to. Do we want to trust this? All right, hang on. I gotta send someone this. All right. Okay, market. You got my attention now. Do I want to? I mean, I definitely don't trust a short now. Well, see, this would be a short setup. Whoa, what am I? All right, we'll take it. That makes me nervous, but I'll take it. I want to hold for longer. That was not a good fill. Look at that. Just crazy. I mean, is this going to just make new lows right here? I should have taken the trade right here on the break of this candle at the 48s, and I could have had a little bigger profit target. And I should have. That was more just a quick grab. It was more of a quick grab. I wasn't crazy about that trade because of where my stop was and how volatile this market is right now. Could have easily wicked higher and stopped me out and then gone lower. But I'll take it. I don't know. I just have a hard time trusting this short. I probably should. I probably should, but I just don't. Yeah, I'm pro trader Mike. Yeah, that was a quick one. That was a quickie, as they say. Hey, Speed Racer, good morning. All right, now we're trying to make a move higher. Watch us go sideways again. Watch us go sideways now right here. We still have not even touched the EMA since the open. That is crazy. It is 10:43 and we haven't even touched the EMA after this big of a pull. At this point, I got to think we're just going to come down here and test the lows of the overnight session, which is all the way down here at the 231s. That's crazy. I'm going to wait. If I get a good short signal, I got to take it. We got to trust the process. We got to keep our bias. Price action rules. Testing yesterday's high. Is it actually? Okay, 271s would be yesterday's high. Maybe that might be right here. This is actually kind of interesting here. If we fail to make new lows and we break above the 360s, then maybe we have a potential here for a reversal. Maybe. Hey, Gigarake, you wanted to, let's go. Your payout was approved of 14K. Thank you, Gigarake, for letting me know. I do love to hear that. And I have been hearing from a lot of people that were under review and are now approved and paid out. So I love to hear it. Hopefully more good things to come. But I still think, I still think we need a little more clarity, or I would like to have a little more clarity on that email and what all that meant and what it means. If XYZ happens, what does that mean? If this happens, what does that mean? That type of thing. So just need, I don't know. I think we'll get some more information, hopefully, but it is great to hear people getting approved. All right, now will we make a move above this or not? You think we're about to rip trading ever after? We could. Honestly, I hope we do. I hope we do a V-shaped reversal move. I hope we do. I would be all for it. Here's what I hope. I hope we make a move above the EMA, and then we just start a slow grind higher. That's what I'm hoping for, but I'm going to try to just trade the price action and not be too biased on it. Hey, David Gabriel, how we doing? Good morning. You have to do your real day job today. Hey, take care, Dirty Nate. I appreciate you stopping by. You got approved as well, Imabu? Awesome. Oh, yes, I saw your comment on my video last night. That was good to see. Look at this. Yep, we are just gonna go lower. Okay then. Okay, market. That's fine. You do you. You want to keep going lower? Be my guest. And here we go down through the 300s. We are about to rip through. There it goes through the 300s, down through the 290s, 280s. Wow. 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 Crazy. This is crazy. Ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, call housekeeping. That's right. Everybody buckle up. Get the women and kids ready. It's about to, we need to abort. Everybody needs to get out now. Hey, Sharouz, you got approved as well, and a paid email sent. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we do have some support. Again, the yesterday's highs are down here at the 260s, 265 area. So maybe that's what we're looking for. I do not know. I honestly don't know what this market wants. You were puckered up for a little bit on that short. I mean, in my entry, I could have entered right below this pivot point for a short. I just hate shorting when we're this close to the lows. Right now, the thing is, as long as we stay in this trend, I am totally okay not taking the short setups if I don't feel comfortable, but I cannot go against the trend and start trying to buy the bottom. That's the rules. Them the rules. No buying the bottoms. I said bottoms. You see this? Hang on. What do we got? Design. Hitler hears P. Diddy is in jail. Yeah. Oh my gosh. We really need to take a look at I need to start screening. I need to start screening some of these links. Ew, man. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Whew. Wow, there it goes, right down below the 270s now. This is crazy. Man, I'm just glad I haven't traded. Okay, there now we're right here at the 270s. The 270s where we wanted to yesterday's high right here. Any prop firm which allows withdrawal from the buffer zone. Rajesh, I mean, Apex is one of the few that allows you to withdraw from the buffer zone. So once you get your account to 2,600 on a 50K account, you can withdraw $2,000 of that buffer zone. Trying to think off the top of my head, who else allows that? I guess Fast Track would. MFU does it. They don't have a buffer zone, but you can only take out, I think, not anymore. Yeah, you can not. You can take out from the buffer zone on Apex unless you are on a probation stat. Unless your account is on a probationary status. Take Profit Trader. No, you can't withdraw from the buffer zone on Take Profit Trader. Eric's, there was a couple other people in here that mentioned they were having delays. Yeah. Not sure what that's about. Hey, Rob Moore's lost a PA 2 evals, but passed 450 challenges to make up for it. Nice. Let's go, Rob. Well, I guess you can. Technically, you can withdraw from it, but then you close the account. So, yeah, I guess you're right. Technically, you can. You've been waiting 2.5 hours for a reset? That's crazy, Forex Elite. Is that with Rhythmic or Trade-Evade? Quick to take your money, slow to give you the account. Wow, look at that. All the way down through the 240s now, 220s. Man, this is insanity. We have filled the gap, folks. We have filled the gap. Man, I did not think that was going to happen today. I did not expect that today. Look at this thing just keep going. Maybe we get a bounce here. Anyone know what Powell said? No, I'm not. That's a great question. Whatever he said, the market definitely was not a big fan. Not a big fan at all. That is just crazy. We were at the 530s this morning, and now we are at the 230s. 300 points lower, and you will like it. The troll Yellen was yelling. She was flapping her gums. Oh, man. Powell said we're all screwed. Tell us something we don't know. Fed says AI will have an impact on jobs, so hello regulation, goodbye robots. Yeah. Powell didn't say anything. He just stood there, was picking his nose. Paul said it's transitory. All right, I need to go grab a water. Oh. Man. At what point will we just start shorting this market and just hold on? Short and hold on. Look at my ticks. I need to change this. This is crazy. Okay, are we about to make new lows? There it goes. Unbelievable. Here we go, down to the pivot points. Down to the pivot point. We are down to the one, down below the 200s. Oh, I wish I would have just, I wish I would have just shorted, man. Ay, ay, ay. If only, I would have made about $2 million if I would have just shorted. You know, there's a lot of people that are in some max pain. There's a lot of accounts being blown today. People buying the dip, and then DCAing like a crazy person, and it just keeps going lower. And I have been there, man. I have been there. You know the V is coming. I know it, Design. You know it's coming. You know it's coming, man. I just don't know where. I do not know. And I'm not going to try to predict it either. But, man, this is crazy. Looking at the daily chart, man, that is... like, it's crazy. We are coming right to the 4-hour chart. We're coming right to the 100 EMA. Kind of bouncing right off of this trend line. This is kind of an interesting level right here, actually. Here. This is the 4-hour chart. This could be an interesting area. Could be an interesting level here. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. See if this thing's gonna rip. This is where, I mean, am I gonna take a short here if it gives me a setup? That's the question I need to ask myself right now. Oof. Yeah, perfect play. That's the way to do this. That's one thing I've learned is if your bias is long and we have this kind of sell-off, it's okay just to wait. You're not going to miss it, okay? Once the V-shape is actually going to happen, you're going to know it. But it's okay to just sit and wait and just keep waiting. Don't force it. Don't try to buy the bottoms. Yeah, it already filled the gap down now. I know. We filled the gap now. We're finally getting a bounce again. But this bounce right here was how far? So this bounce was 60-point bounce. And we are currently at a 60. We're at the exact same thing. So we are pretty much equal bounce. Let's see if it keeps going. If it keeps going, maybe this is it. Maybe this is the reversal. But we're going to get confirmation. We are definitely seeing this. This is ripping now. For the first, this is the biggest bounce we've had yet today. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. See, now I don't want to do a short setup. I am not taking it. I already know how that's going to go. Hey, Ponzi. Ponzi, where you been? Where you been, Ponzi? You were holding out on us, Ponzi, weren't you? You were calling for this sell-off all morning long, but you didn't tell us. How dare you? How dare you, Ponzi? I was counting on you. Hang on. Oops. Wow, this is the first big move we're seeing now. This is the first move. They're turning the printers on now. Is that what the Fed just announced? Hey, printers, go double time and overtime. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to predict what's going to happen. I'm going to pretend to be ICT. We're going to have a nice red candle lower, and it's going to be looking like a good short setup. It might even go below this low of the 30s. And then it's just going to rip straight back up and trap. It's going to trap the shorts. And that's going to be the signal that the V-shaped move is in. Tesla's going below $100. Oh, my God. Oh, I think it's time to... I don't know, Ponzi. It might be time to lay down the pipe. Look at this rip. She... ripping now. We love you, Ponzi. Don't ever change. Don't ever change, man. But next time, could you please come in here, tell us the market is going to crash, at least give us a little bit of a heads up. Since you came in chat 5 minutes ago, we've ripped this thing about 70 points higher. That's what we were missing. We just needed Ponzi. The market wanted to see that Ponzi is in here, and then we're going to rip it. What a move. What a move. Okay, this might be the fake out right here. we're going to give it, a fake out is going to happen. We're going to make a fake out here, and then we're going to rip straight up and trap the shorts. I'm predicting it. Man, it might not even pull back. It's just going straight up. Jeez. Hang on 1 second. Ooh, I love when my wife brings me something to eat. Iced coffee. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. So good. See, right here would be my short setup. Hmm. Man, I'm so tempted to take this, and I would have. Hmm. This is so good. Mm-mm-mm. And I have the pumpkin bars. Oh, I'm telling you what, that right there. Oh, right there, that is some delicious pumpkin bars. Oh, yes. Yes, carrot cake. Mmm. Oh, man, it's so good. Woo. I really should take this short. I'm going to be upset if I don't. Boom, let's go. We needed that. I was very close to talking myself out of taking that trade and thinking of all kinds of excuses not to take it. And then I just thought to myself, just go with the trend, you idiot. And then that's what I did. Just follow your setup and go with the trend. It's not my job to predict the market. See now, gosh, if I was being aggressive, I would take this long. This is such a good long entry right there. Oh. It's all right. It's all right. I don't need to catch every move. Caroline, you need yourself a wife. Yeah, get yourself a good one. I feel bad for the young generation. I really do. I see the young generation and some of the women, and I don't know, man. I'm glad I found myself a good wife. I am open to being your wife, but I am not cheap, says Rad Poker. We all got a price. We all have a price, Rad Poker. We all have a price. Oh, dear. TikTok influencers make great wives. Oh. Exactly, Daryl Bapty. They don't make him like they used to. They don't make him like they used to. All right. If we see, I'm so tempted here. I'm not doing it. This is where I really, 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 really need to be patient. Urgh. Don't do it. Don't do it, Nutty. Just chill. Chill out. There's some baddies on TikTok. Ah. Oh, man. You got out on Day Trader? Nice. I hope in green, hopefully. Man, can we talk a little bit about my perfect exit right here? Ooh, that was beautiful. Some days you just, some days the market gets you, but every now and then you will have that perfect entry and a perfect fill. Oh, it's kind of like playing golf. It's what keeps you coming back for more. When you hit that perfect golf shot and you hit it like 5 feet past the flag and you spin it back to like 2 feet. Oh, it's just, those are the shots you remember. It's what keeps you coming back for more. See, here we go. I should take this. Oh, nope, I'm not going to do it. We actually need to have a serious consideration here to not keep trading today. That needs to be a thought. I'll try 14 cons next time. No. We still haven't really made it above the EMA. The Bears are defending this EMA with their life. They are being very serious about it. And here we go. I mean, that's crazy if we go test the lows again. That's crazy. If the market is trading, if the market is open, not trading, it's simply not an option. What is the yellow line? It's the 21 EMA. Wow, I should have. Oh, definitely couldn't. I definitely could have taken this trade, but I didn't. And back down we go. Back down we go. Crazy. Hey, you can't make more trading ever after? Let's go. That means he had a good day. That's awesome. Shut everything down. Shut it down, unplug it, and throw away the cord. Okay, now the Bulls are definitely putting up a fight here. They're trying to defend this 220 area. Let's see if they succeed. We have to get above this EMA though. It's so hard watching. Yeah, I know trading app, but it's okay. It's okay. Just it's so easy once you stop trading for the day. It's so easy in hindsight to go back and be like, "Oh, there was a good setup. There was a good setup. I would have made that money. I would have taken that trade." And we all know that's not always how it. That's not always what happens. So just take the win, and you just got to move on. It's usually the best way. Oh, man, this is tempting to take this short. Oh, I'm not going to do it. You know what? You know what we're going to do, guys? Here's what we're going to do. We are going to shut down trading on these accounts for the day. I'm going to reset that 150K account that we blew yesterday. Let's see if we can pass it today. All right. I feel good about that. I feel good about that. I just don't. With this kind of volatility, one bad trade and I would give back all this profit. And I'm just, after a red day yesterday, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this today. And let's just be smart. I am shutting down my trading on these accounts right now. Just give me a second. All right. Let's see how long it takes Apex to reset an account. Yours truly went on an eval tilt. Hey, let me join you. We'll take that eval and we'll try to pick some bottoms here. It's a little bit of an itch that I want to scratch, if you know what I mean. I got an itch that I want to scratch. I want to buy some bottoms here, but I'm going to do it with an eval. Don't go higher now without me, market. I'm not ready. $35 resets, by the way, on Apex right now. $35 resets. Kind of hard to beat. All right, what am I? Don't go higher yet. I'm not ready. It's going down since open, QQ. You are not incorrect. You would be correct. I'm just saying I got a little bit of an itch that needs to be scratched and I want to buy the bottom. And I'm going to do it. We're going to do it carefully, but we're going to buy it. Let's see what we can do here. Excuse me. All right, now we just got to wait till this thing resets. Hello? Why don't you connect? There we go. No, it didn't reset yet. Oh, and it's going to go without me now. I'm going to be so mad and sad at the same time. UK Futures Trader, how we doing? Hey, can I say hi to my daughter, Emily? Hello, Emily. How's it going, Emily? Thanks for watching Nutty Bar Trading. Your dad is awesome. You tell him that, okay? Man, okay, we're going to have to refresh this. I'm going to have to keep connecting, disconnecting, reconnecting. Hey, we're good. We're ready to roll. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Hang on. Okay. Now we just need to be relatively patient. We're going to start and we're just going to start to ease into our position. Not DCA, but ease into the position. Oh yeah, I heard. Is there another hurricane heading for Florida? I'm kind of concerned because the house that we have in Florida, we're just renting it, but I do not need that thing to be damaged before a month before we are scheduled to be there. But yeah, I saw on the news something about a pretty bad hurricane heading toward the Florida Panhandle. Oh, okay, hang on. Okay, it's time to get. Oh, what? Okay. Ah, man, I should have bought down here. I really hope it doesn't break out now. Don't do it. Pull back one more time. We might chase it if it breaks. If it breaks here, we'll at least get in with 2 contracts here. You're in the Tampa area, not bad right now. Okay. The market doesn't reverse by noon. Only a 20% chance. I see. Yeah, I could see that. Design. How can I get Ninja Trader to add all the total P&L like you have? This is from Affordable Indicators. It's a add-on that you have to pay for, but I think there's a link in the description down below. But it's the account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. The Panhandle is going to get hit hard, so the Sarasota area, I assume, is going to get hit pretty hard. Or like, is Sarasota in the clear? Where do I check this? The Weather Channel? See if we can keep tabs on this. All right, I am going to actually. We're gonna wait. If this pulls down and below this, we might make new lows. We don't want to. Actually, I'm gonna go. We're gonna. This is just the first We're easing into the position here. Okay, I see. So hurricane, let's see, where is the path, projected path at? So so tonight it looks like it's going to hit. It looks like it's going to hit right at the panhandle in Florida though. So it's going to go north. It looks like it's going to go north of Sarasota for the most part. Wow. Well, if you live in that area, be safe. There's 2 to 3 more coming behind it. Man. Yeah, Sarasota is south of Tampa. Hey, one-day trader, you're very close to the profit threshold on take profit. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, we need this thing to rip. Come on, market. Rip it. Do it for the stream. Man, the volatility just kind of died here. All right, maybe we break right here. Come on. Break above this EMA. Let's go. Do it for the stream. Man, it's just crazy how this, I mean, this EMA, that EMA has held its, like, that EMA is held like crazy. It's like it's a brick wall that cannot be moved. All right, this is the moment of truth. Can we get above the EMA here? I'm going to take one. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay, that upset me. I did not mean to close that trade. All right, please come and pull back again, please. I did not mean to hit close. What an idiot. Ugh. Come on, pull back. Don't go without me now. Because I will chase if you do. And then I'll be sad. That's unfortunate, folks. That's unfortunate. We'll pull back. We'll pull back again. I'll have another chance to get in. I hope. I just now realized I forgot to update my stream title this morning. Oh, why not buy it back where I got out? I mean, I would. I'm just hoping that we'll pull back and test this again. Basically. There we go. Come on. Come on to Papa. Oh. I should have. This might be the first time we close above the EMA. Maybe. Nope. And we didn't close above the EMA. I'm going to wait. I think this is going to pull back again. It just cannot get above that EMA. Just can't do it. Looks like a good 2022 model and a great halfback. What? Up 7 grand? Oh, let's go, Captain Kirk. Let's go. Oh. On sim. Rip. Come on. You've been telling me take the long? Yeah, Sabak, the midget. I'm looking for a long, but I was hoping to get a little more pullback. I guess I'm being too greedy. I'm being too greedy here. Trying to get a better entry, and it's going to go without me. That's kind of rude. Totally. I should still be in this trade, though. That's... Hey, this is the first time we close above the EMA. All right, I'm just going to chase this, and if we pull back, I'll add to it. It is what it is. I want to be in with more than 2 contracts anyway, so at least now I'll be in it if we just rip higher here. If we pull back, I'll just add 2 more. And then we're just grinding higher here. Grinding. Wow. She ripping, boys. She ripping. She ripping. She wants to go higher. All right, got to get above this 92. Got to get above the 300s now. As soon as we get above the 300s, any pullback we have, we're adding. Oh, and there she goes. All right, 300s. All right. I'm okay with a pullback here. We might just buy it. I don't want to. Oh, man, this is crazy. This market is crazy. All right, we added 4, or we added 2 more here. We need to get above that 300 level. I'm a little worried about this. Design. I'm good. You're short. Hey, good luck, sir. I wish us both somehow winning. A little concerning here, though. I'm not a big fan of this. Yeah, now we're gonna pull back again. Yeah. Uh Why concerned? I'm just concerned this is gonna just drop. We did not make it above that 300 level, and we basically went and double topped right here, and this could just drop now. We could see this thing just rip lower. It could also just pull back here and then make a move above the 300s. Then I really like it. Oh, okay, I like this. I like this. Rip it. Rip it. Boner candle incoming. Be aware. Be warned. Hmm. Come on, we need to get above this 300 level. Let's go. Rip it. Do it and do it now. I might take some off right here if we can't get a rip going. All right. If we pull back, we'll add again. We kind of struggle to get above this 86, 87 level. I don't know why. It just seems like we can't get going. Come on, rip it. Let's get a rip above the 300s right here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Go, baby, go. All right, good break above the 300s. Let's go. I'm just gonna wait. As long as we get above and we hold above the 300s, then I'm just gonna hold. Rip it. Come on. Come on. All right, we can't get above it. I don't know. Do I take it off? I want to protect my drawdown here. There we go. Come on. All right. Hopefully we'll get a pullback and we'll enter again. Ah, I should have held. All right. And we are above the 300s now. 310s. Oh, man, I should have held. Hey, Captain Kirk, let's go. Slow and steady is better. Yeah, I know. Green is good. I was just a little fearful that we'd see a big rip lower before we make a move higher, but definitely feeling like we might have put the bottom in down here. Might have put the bottom in, so let's wait and see. Up to the 320s now. Come on, give me a pullback. Even just a small pullback here, and I'm jumping back in. Hey, Empower Man. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Also, Dire Investors Pack, thanks for the sub. Bobber, thanks for the sub. And Peter, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Okay, we are above the 320s now. Very impressive. Come on, pull back a little bit. Hey, you were down 8K, now down 3K? Okay, let's go. Ah, it looks like we're just going to keep going here. There it goes, above the 320s. And no pullback needed. I mean, we might not. We might not pull back. I'm just going to get in. Even if it's a little micro pullback, I'm getting in. It feels like it just wants to trap everything here. We're going to pull back. We're going to pull back, guys. We're going to pull back. We just got to wait. How does the one-day eval pass work, Toasted Talks? Basically, you have the opportunity to pass an account in one day. But you don't have to. You can take 30 days to pass the eval. But there are no minimum days required. You can pass in one day, which basically means you would need to reach the profit target in one day, and then you would have the funded account the next day. All right, here's the pullback. See, I said it's gonna pull back. There she comes. Ooh. All right, I'll start right here, and we will add more if we need to. Should I just wait for the trading day to end? Oh, you already passed? Let's go, Toasted Talks. Yes, so you just wait till end of the day, usually around 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. You'll get an email from Apex, and it'll have instructions on how to turn it into a funded account. Congratulations, especially on a 300K account. Passing a 300K account in one day, that's insane. That's crazy. That is impressive. All right, getting a little bigger pullback here. If we pull back too far here, we might have problems. But for now, uh-oh. I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Let's see if we test that EMA, and we'll give it another go. We'll add one at a time here. Feels like a dead cat bounce. I mean, it could be. That would be crazy if we pull back all the way to the lows. That would be crazy. It's continuing to pull back. It's kind of what happened yesterday. We had a good thing going, and then all of a sudden the market just kept going. Kept going lower, lower, lower. We went up right. The pivot points are definitely starting to get my attention. We came down, we hit this pivot point right to the T, and then we went up and touched this pivot point, and now we're pulling back. Definitely starting to take some notes. All right, let's see if this EMA holds. If it doesn't, I'm going to be worried. Wow. It is not looking too good. Very interesting indeed. I need to use the restroom. I think I'm okay going to the restroom. I need to go. And we're back. All right. All right. I'm okay with what this looks like. I think we'll just keep it on the way we have it. What indicator is giving you the pivots? This is the Trade Devil indicators, initial balance. Talking about Trade Devil indicators, they Trade Devil indicators reached out and they want to partner up. They want to partner up, and I am going to get a code that will give you guys a 10% discount. Let's go. 10% discount. It's better than nothing. It's not crazy amount, but I guess we'll take it. I said, or I told them we need, if I do affiliates, then I need at least the end user needs to benefit somehow, some kind of discount. But I didn't actually think they do affiliates. I think it's new. Yeah, there's pivot points everywhere. I'm not, yeah, obviously there's different ways you can do it. Oh man, now now we're this is kind of in a tricky situation here. If we continue lower, we fail to go higher here. I don't know, man. There's no benefit of going into a live account with Apex or any other prop firm. Isn't the benefit the leverage? Yeah, Matt G. Yes, that is the one area that there would be a benefit, Matt. So, yeah, I should have mentioned that, I guess, but yes, the leverage they provide would be a benefit. Mm. Uh, What do you mean can't buy? Can you give an example? Oh. All right. I think I got all that sorted out. All right, we're back. What? Okay, market. Looks like we're just kind of hanging out here. We need to see this thing rip higher now. Yeah, Michael Crooks. Like, again, about anywhere from 5% to 2% of people got that email. So I don't know how the parameters. I'm still trying to figure that out. Trying to get some more information. But man, this is starting to worry me. This is starting to feel like we're just slowly bleeding lower. Ugh, I don't know what to do. I'm thinking we're gonna keep it for now. Do you think it's better to stock up on more evals with Apex before they lock you out? I I didn't even think about that. I guess that would be one way around it. Because they say that once they put you in probation or whatever they call it, you can still use the evals that you have, and you can also reset the evals that you have. So maybe it actually wouldn't be a bad idea to have some extra evals. I don't think only eval I have is this one. Maybe I need to stock up just in case. All right, market, come on, let's rip this thing higher. You can do it. Oh. Just feels like it's gonna just roll over now. Not seeming to be interested. Come on, rip it higher. Don't just bleed lower like this. It's going to be so... I would rather it just rip lower and take me out than just doing this slow grind lower. It's a slow death. The stream is laggy? Really? I don't have any drop frames or anything. Are you sure it's not you? Someone else experiencing drop or just laggy stream? What happens to people who have 20 accounts, David? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, to be honest. Some of those information, some of that, the questions I want to get answered, I want to ask. Hopefully I can get an answer here soon, but well, this is not looking good, folks. Now, do we hang on here? This is disheartening. Disappointing. Maybe we just take out some stops here. Now we rip it higher. Hopefully. It does not look like it. It looks like we're just going to bleed lower. My chart is frozen? Is it really? Am I frozen? No, I'm not. I think we're fine. It's just people with Walmart internet. All right, I think I'm good. This is not good, guys. I mean, at this point, I'm not gonna, if this was a PA account, I would have stopped out here, but it's not worth it at this point. We're just gonna hold on and pray. Hold and pray. Oh. Michael Crooks. Hold, pray, add in that sequence. Yes. You've already been denied once for no reason, Expander 4. There is always a reason. You might not agree with the reason, but there is a reason. Yeah, Michael Crooks. Yeah, that fast track CEO is, that guy is bad news. Bad news for this industry. I'm telling you what. He is going to bring the wrong kind of attention to this industry, and I do not like it. What am I going to do with my Apex accounts, David? I don't know. What do you think? I'm going to keep trading them. You can forward me the email. I mean, you have to forward me all of the emails. But yeah, go ahead. I don't mind. If it wasn't legit or anything, I mean, I can try to see why. What is FTT doing so wrong? I mean, their CEO calling people the N-word and doxing people. I would consider that not great. And also promising people for the last 6 months that Tradevate is coming and running sales and telling people to buy accounts and to buy Tradevate accounts, and that they will, you know, they'll just hold these accounts for them until Tradevate comes. And then once Tradevate comes, he'll give those accounts to them. And then, was it yesterday or the day before? Oh, Tradevate, not coming. Not going to happen. Whoops. Too bad. He's not sure yet if he's going to refund those people. Oh, and just further concern, there is a guy that has over $2 million in profits right now that they will need to pay out. That seems like a problem as well. And their current model is not sustainable, period. FTT is great. Oh no. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, but I'm telling you, it's not sustainable. You can believe whatever you want, but it's not sustainable. Having zero commissions and no scalping rules whatsoever, if you think that is legit and you think that is sustainable, I mean, I am sorry to inform you, but they are going to get rinsed. They are going to get absolutely rinsed. People are going to, I know people are going to do it. I already know people that are doing it. They're going to take it. They're going to scalp for 2 ticks on max contract size. And do you think if people think that's reality and impossible to trade like that, it isn't. All right, we could not get above the EMA here. This is not looking good for us. This is not looking good. You don't understand the scalping. The spread is kind of bad. I've seen it. It's a rhythmic connection. The rhythmic connection is exactly the same as my connection is with Rhythmic. There is no... Fast track trading does not have any ability to control any kind of spread. So that's just not. But it's the exact same feed. That's just not possible. Fast track and Apex, they have zero control over what the spread is on NQ or ES or whatever symbol that you are trading. They have zero control over it. And I mean, I will put money on it. I would bet someone within 2 months, they are going to have either A, commissions, or B, limitations on scalping. 100%. Because that will be abused to, that will be so abused, it's crazy. If you buy market, why would you buy market? I mean, if you're scalping for 2 to 3 ticks, why would you ever buy at market? That's not how you scalp 2 to 3 ticks. You're doing it with 20 micros and 3 ticks. See? There you go. David Wren, he's doing it. I guarantee you there's hundreds of people doing it. 20 micros and 3 ticks. Yesterday, he has 54 wins and 0 losses. You think that's reality of trading? You think you can do that on a live account? So then are you really thinking that he's going to then put people that trade that way and then put them on a live account? Come on, man. That's why it's important to simulate a live environment even though we're trading on a sim account, because the profits will not be reality. They limit until 12 payouts and then live. Red Poker. I don't know. I don't know. Not a court. Well, I guess that I don't know. I was seeing some other discords that were saying different reality in the trading pit. Yeah, I know. I know. Buy at market and we'll never make less than 10 ticks. I wouldn't. Yeah. Exactly. The reason it's possible to do that is because there are no commissions. Hey, I don't blame you, David. I don't blame you at all. I mean, it's not, they're allowing it. If they're allowing it, then it's on them. But I'm telling you, they are going to change that rule. It's a matter of time. But the other concern I would have with FTT is the fact that the guy that has over $2 million in profits already, he shared his P&L. Whoa, but he shared his P&L, and Scott replied to the P&L that the guy posted, and it's like, hey, you need to DM me. It was almost like that was the first time that Scott saw, and he was aware that anyone had $2 million in profits. If that is how they're doing their risk management, oh dear. It's that is one train wreck about to happen. Hang on. Who is this? He's a T-Rex. He's a T-Rex. Tell everybody hi. Hi. You like dinosaurs, right?
Yeah, I like dinosaurs.
He was scaring me. Yeah, Cody scared Daddy, huh? Well, this is kind of our last hope here. Hopefully we don't, if we rip below this. All right, Cody, tell him bye.
Bye.
Too cute. He loves dinosaurs. All right, we're gonna have to get a move on. We got to get above this EMA again. We got above it for a split second, and then it was just yanked away. The red green combo on the M26. That is why they are making bank in Mabu. People are making 1 to 2K on a rally account way beyond the 20% consistency rule, meaning they need to make more for a payout. Right. I mean, obviously people are blowing a lot of accounts. But the problem with that kind of business model where people can abuse the sim environment with no commissions and no limit on scalping. Okay. The problem with that, you do not need to be a good trader to take advantage of that. You don't. You just need to know how to press buttons. And it's just not sustainable. His favorite dinosaur is the T-Rex. Maybe if you leave the stream, it'll go up. I mean, I'm fine giving that a shot. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. You can't find on YouTube the guy who made well, they haven't paid him out yet. $20 micros for 0.25 is probably hard to fill all the time. But you put it in with a limit order. You enter with a limit order. I mean, you might get some slippage, but with no commissions, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can afford to have a little bit of slippage with no commissions. But on the floor, they did that with 2-3 ticks all day. Well, that's insanity. That is crazy, though. All right, come on, market. Get above the EMA here. I'm about ready to add some more here. You have a feeling those accounts will be banned? Yeah, that's going to go over well. Oh, I just can't do it. Well, here we go. We might, this account might be gone. This account might be gone. Kind of like yesterday. Just slowly bleeding lower. Just no follow through at all. Yep, there she goes. I could add right here. We could, hang on. We might have to. We're gonna be, this is the time when we get a little bit more aggressive. Time to DCA. DCA gang. My trades do not show up on the executions tab on NinjaTrader. I do not know. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm starting to think we're going to make new lows yet. We're going to make new lows yet on the day before the end of the day. It is looking like it. Yeah, Rashesh. I mean, the other thing I don't like is, like, it seems like the only way you get paid is if you, once they have their live payout sessions, you got to go in there and complain and then that's how they'll get paid. Like, there is no system, no process. It looks like someone that is running a company out of their mother's basement, and they're using their mom as their support staff. That's what it feels like. Well, I know that's not, but there's, I mean, yeah, it's just a little crazy. The longer and the larger they get, the longer the payouts are going to be delayed. It just doesn't seem like they need to get some kind of, I don't know. It's not my problem, I guess. But I actually don't want to see them. I actually don't want to see them fail for real. Because if they fail, it's going to bring a lot of bad things in this industry. Because up to now, the futures prop firm space, I don't think there's a company that has gone belly up so far. And I just think it'll bring a really bad light to the industry and probably bring regulation very quickly, in my opinion. I might be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Yeah, we're YOLOing another eval, Timbo. Get your fingernails, put your hands in your pockets. You're gonna be chewing. Oh, we got, hey, there's hope, folks. There's hope. Rip it good. Can we please get above the EMA? Huh? Please? Come on. I have no nails left to give. You think Sage is helping them out? Oh, dear. I don't know that I would feel too great about things if Sage is going to be it's going to be the one to save you, but hey, he does have more information and knowledge on the prop industry, and Sage is definitely going to shut down some of the things that people are doing 100%. He's going to shut it down. All right, come on, boys. We're above the EMA. Come on, rip it. Give me that boner candle. You know you want it. Come on. Can you please just go higher? Rip it right here. Big boner candle. Do it. Oh, it's not going to do it. I got a feeling it's going to come right back down. No, I'm not going to add. I'm going to wait. If we pull back again, which I think we will, then I'm going to add again. How come you haven't cut losses or set a stop loss or anything for that matter? Because it's an eval, Toasted Talks. Evals, I don't really take them that seriously, I guess. Some would say that's a bad thing. You'd have a good point. But that's just me. I do not trade my evals like I trade my funded accounts. Eval, this is a saying that I have. Eval lives don't matter. I know that's very offensive to the evals, but it is what it is. Didn't Sage deny TBM a payout on MFU? Yes, he did, Crankberry. Yep, you are correct. Because they have a limit. They didn't have it anywhere in their contract, but all of a sudden they had a payout, max payout limit. And TBM never did get paid. Never did get that paid out. Come on. Oh, what a slow death. What a slow death this is. Man, this market is just died. If I just do the 150K accounts, no, I do the 50K accounts as well. Right now I just had an eval. This is my only eval I got left that I could reset, and it was 150, so that's what we went with. Oh, this is brutal. All right, I'm going to add again here. Hey, you're supposed to fill me. Hello. Come on. Wow. It's not going to fill me. Oh, well. Oh, I wish I would have gotten filled down here. It's all right. Come on now, go do something. This is just brutal. Yeah, equalizer. I saw that tweet. I saw the tweet. uh Oh, you think? Oh, okay. I see, David Ryan. I wasn't aware of that. You thought I was 27. Let's go. Rake supposedly claimed to get 50K payout and showed a certificate signed by Matt, and then Sage went and confirmed with Discord it was only 30K. Oh, that's too funny. Oh, yeah, I hate to see it. Ah. Oh. I'm convinced this market will never move away from this range. Ever again. Okay, maybe that's a little bit of an overreaction. A little bit. All right, we're going to add one here. No, I do not equalizer, but I guess equalizer. I looked at that as he possibly. Yeah, I assumed, maybe I'm wrong here, but I assumed that he manipulated the document and made the 30K look like 50K. That's what I assumed happened. But could be wrong. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This market is so annoying. You think so, randomizer? Hey, I'm down for it. Guess we'll wait and see. Let's see if the 250s here continue to hold. We might see a rip lower here. If we do, I'm about ready to go grab me some lunch and just leave this trade on and see what happens. This is brutal. Man, this is just, this is weird. Weird price action at this point. Mm. See if we make a dip lower. If we do, I'm going to buy it up. Hang on. See if this is a little bit of a fake out, hopefully. This might be needed to get us to rip higher. If we have enough drawdown left. That's gonna be the problem. And we might not. All right. Oh man, this is brutal. All right. I've had it. Come on. I'm so over this. Just do something. I don't even care if it goes lower and stops me out or something, but just do something. Auction at 101. Hey, maybe that'll move the market. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. News coming at 1. All right, let's go. Come on, news. Let's rip it. Big boner candle. Rip it. Rip it. You can do it. Why hold when it's on a downtrend, constantly bouncing off the EMA? Oh, J. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he did not. Did you really just LOL me? No, you did not. Unbelievable. You actually LOL'd me after that. That's a yikes for you. That's tough. It's real tough. LOL. He even did the LMAO. He really, man, it's rough. Wow. Any final words, Jay? Any final words? Maybe you're new here, but you got to be careful how we use the term LOL. It's kind of a trigger for me, if you know what I mean. LOL is kind of a trigger. You might not know the story, which is fine. That's not your fault, but we got rules, we got parameters, we got standards that we hold in this channel. All right. Any final words? He left. What did he just do a run and gun? Hey, 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 patient trader in the house. Let's go. How you doing, patient trader? Good to see you, man. I think about you a lot. Every now and then I think about it. I'm like, man, I wonder how patient traders do it. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm doing great. I am doing swell. Trading's been going well. Family's doing great. I am very, very blessed, and life couldn't be better. Lots of love. See, some of you guys know. All right, where's this J guy? I can't believe he did a hit and run. This J guy literally did a hit and run. Man, that's rough. I guess we'll let him go. He did the hit and run. He just, boom, came in, said his piece, put in the old LOL, and bailed. He didn't want no smoke. He just wanted to do his thing, and he was out. That's fair. I respect it. It's fair. Yep, the old hit and run. It's like you take a little grenade. You take a grenade, you throw it in, and you. Oh no, there he is. Oh, did you just do? Yeah, Jay. Jay, is everything okay, Jay? Is everything okay? Are you having a bad day? Do you need a hug? I give out free hugs. Free. If you're not in a loss, just wait. I'm not hit and running. I said my opinion, to which I know means nothing to you. See, you just did it again. The LOL. You can't do the LOL in we got standards. All right. I gotta respect myself. I gotta respect myself. How is business coming along, patient trader? Oh man, that portion is the one area that is not going so well. We are still, it's slow and it's struggling. It is kind of at the point where I'm going to have to make a difficult decision here soon. Hey, don't look now. Don't look now. Hey, where's Jay? Where's Jay? Oh yeah, he can't type anymore. I'm sorry. Man, that's unfortunate. Look at that. We touching the EMA again. Can we get above it? Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. You can do it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Rip it. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. We need a big boner candle, and we need to close above the EMA. It's the very, very critical part here. No. Oh, you. It's all right. We're calm. We're calm. It doesn't want to do it. I can tell. It's going to tease. It's going to tease. And then it's going to just want to rip it lower. Yeah, I know it. I knew it. He wants to be difficult. It's all right. We got patience. We got nothing but patience. I'm kind of hungry. I would like to go to lunch, but oh my stars, this is frustrating. Yeah, it is Chop City. Wait, is the news? Yeah, the news came out. Nothing happened. That was this. That was. Uh-oh. We're getting close. Everybody hold your breath. Everybody pick up your feet. This is it. Hold. 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 Everybody hold. Now push. Now push. Everybody push. Hey, the last while, even Power Hour has been just terrible the last week. I don't think this is even going to go anywhere on Power Hour. Take the loss. Yeah, we're not taking the loss here at $900 in drawdown left. This is either going to rip us and we'll move on. No harm, no foul. Or we're going to get green. That's just how we roll. I do think this is going to go lower, though. I do think it is, but hopefully I'm wrong. Come on, push, push, push. Come on, bulls. This time. Trap the shorts. Do it. Max Payne. Took a day off from trading today, Vider. That's awesome. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with taking a day off. You're all good, Jay. I was just giving you a hard time. He says, if you know the story about the LOL, then you would understand why I was giving you a hard time, but it's all good. But you're right. I don't like my position. I really don't. But at this point, if you play poker, we are pot committed. If you play poker, you understand the term pot committed. We are currently pot committed on this position. It's too late to reverse. We are either going to make it, and we'll be fine if it does. And if it rips lower, which I think it will, you know, we'll blow the account and we'll be out $35. I'm going to sleep just fine. I'll be fine. All right, everybody, on the count of 2. Hey, maybe. Oh, this is just rough. It's trading. I'm never pot committed. Yeah, I'm pot committed. Trust me. If I flip this position right now, I can assure you with 1000% certainty that this thing is going to rip to the moon. All right? That's how it works. That's how trading works. I would much rather stay pot committed than flip my position and then it goes in my direction, because then I just feel like a fool. You know, then the market is literally laughing in your face. I don't like that. I will take my loss like a man, and then I'll just be fine with being wrong. I would much rather just take it like a man, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I can take it. Is there an unrealized drawdown after clearing eval and apex? No, Rishesh. It is until you reach the profit threshold. Once you reach the profit threshold, that trailing drawdown goes away. I'm looking foolish now, though. See, that's the other thing. I just don't care. I don't care. I really do not care. You're committed to the low of day as support. Okay, right here. Come on, rip this thing. Make me look good. Make me look good. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Rip those shorts face off. That's it. Rip their face off. Big boner candle. Let's go. Make him feel the pain. Max pain. Right here. Do it. Rip above the 265s. Oh my. If you go back down. Oh. I mean, this is starting to get just hysterically comical at this point. Oh, really, market? I mean, what is this? Okay, here's what we're going to do. We test this area again right here, the 235s. We're going max cons. I've had enough. I'm sick and tired of this. It's going to be do or die time. I want to go. I'm ready to go. Okay? I'm ready to go. Take me now. Come on, come test this level again. I dare you. I dare you. Got it. I'm ready. I am ready. This is going to be quick and painless. We've had enough suffering here. Yeah, Jake Fowler. Yeah, it's crazy. Here we go. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait. Wait. Hold. Everybody hold. Hold. I mean, if you were scalping this channel, you would be up about $2 million right now. Unfortunately, that's not what we're doing here. Okay, it's time. The time has come. Is everybody ready? Here we go. This is the end. This is either the end or it's the beginning. But we are done messing around. All right, do your thing. Do your thing now. Everybody make peace with this account. 443. If you know, you know. All right, here we go, boys. Hold your breath. One little wick lower and she gone. This is comical. Oh, there it was. There it is. Thank you, market. Thank you. Finally, take me out of my misery. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. All right, who's in here? Who wants to say I told you so? Go ahead. Now is your moment of glory. This is your one time. This is the one time that you can say I told you so and I won't get upset. You got like a 5-minute window here. And we continue to rip lower. We're going to test that low of day, aren't we? That is crazy. She gone. Yeah, now is your entry. Now is your entry long. That's probably true. That is probably true. I told you so. Yes, let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. I can handle it. Oh, all right, guys. I am gonna call it here. I have had my enough pain for today, but overall, we had a good day. We had a good day. Funded accounts all green. We were just having fun with an eval, and we'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys all had a green day, and I hope you stay green. And take care. Have a great evening, and God bless.